Hey guys, so in this video we're going to go over data types and variables and how they can make coding much easier for ourselves and make our code much more legible. Anytime we use a variable, it needs to have a data type assigned to it, so first we're going to go over some data types. So first we have int, which is a whole number, unsigned int, whole number only positive, float, decimal number, char, single character. Some examples of that would be like the letter K, or a symbol, or a number. String is basically a string of cars. And last we have Boolean, which stores true or false. So a really cool part of declaring these data types is it tells Arduino exactly what type of data you're using. So if you're using one of these numerical data types, it allows Arduino to do mathematical operations with them because it knows that you're using a number. So looking at what we're using with our function, we need a number that has decimal places. So we're going to be using a float data type for these. So the way you declare a variable is first you say the data type, then you say what you want your variable to be called, and then you assign that variable a value. And then you have to put a semicolon on the end. So we'll go ahead and do the rest of them. Got a typo there. Okay. So we don't need this anymore now that we got the variables in. And now, instead of having this magic number in here, I can replace it with the variable, because it has the same exact value as that number does. Now this makes using our buzz function much easier. Instead of having to look up the frequency every time, I can just say I want an E note instead of 659.25. So now that we've made using these frequencies a bit easier for ourselves, let's do the next measure of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So it looks like all three of them are E notes, and we've got 2 quarter notes and a half note. So to do that, we gotta call our library dot buzz, the function, and it's an E note. And a quarter note. And the same thing again. And the last note in our measure is an E, but it is a half note. Awesome. So now we've got the first 2 measures of Mary Had a Little Lamb done. So my challenge for you is to pause the video here and see if you can finish the whole song by yourself. Alright, hopefully you were able to complete that on your own, but I'll go ahead and put the solution up now. Alright, and here is the full solution to the song. And I'll see you guys in the next video.